Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Neetu. I make videos on beauty and lifestyle. If you enjoy the videos I make, kindly take a minute to subscribe and hit the notification bell next to it. When I did my past skincare and hair care videos, I saw that many of you were interested in Mamaearth as a brand. I had got a few questions from some of you regarding some Mamaearth products. So I thought I will make a video on all the Mamaearth products which I have used until now and give you a review of that. Mamaearth is an Indian brand. They claim that their products are free from all harmful chemicals and they are also free from silicones, parabens. Their products are also dermatologically tested and FDA approved. They also claim their brand to be a plastic positive brand, which means that they recycle more plastic than they use. Let's start the video with two of their famous products, which is from their onion hair care range. One is the onion hair oil. This is how the bottle looks like. And one is the onion hair mask. I have been using both of this since past 2-3 months. The oil is really good. I have seen a reduction in my hair fall, and the texture is also quite light, so it will not make your hair very greasy once you wash it. This claims to boost hair growth, give strength and shine, and nourishes the scalp, and it does that for me. So I really like this product and I will highly recommend if you are struggling with hair fall. The next product is the onion hair mask, which also I had mentioned in my hair care favorites. The consistency of this mask is really thick. This is how it looks like. As you can see, I have used half of this tub. This mask also targets the hair fall control, and it contains onion oil and bamboo vinegar. They recommend to use this mask 10 to 15 minutes before the hair wash, but the problem with this mask is it's quite thick. So if you apply this on dry hair, it will not spread evenly on your hair. So what I do is, once I wash my hair with shampoo, I apply this onto my wet hair. Then the mask spreads evenly and I leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. I really love using this hair mask because it makes my hair very smooth and soft, and it reduces the breakage because of that. But I would not recommend to use it on dry hair, only use it on wet hair. This mask has a medicinal fragrance, so if you don't like such kind of fragrances, then you won't like it, but otherwise the mask itself is really good. So both of these products I would highly recommend to you all if you are struggling with hair fall and hair loss. The onion oil retails for 399 rupees for 150 ml. The hair mask retails for 599 rupees for 200 grams. The next product which I got from Mamaearth is their vitamin C face toner. This has vitamin C as the second ingredient in this, and this is also alcohol free, dermatologically tested, and it suits all skin types. They claim that this product tightens your pores, restores the skin's pH balance, and purifies skin. Vitamin C basically should help you in reducing your scars and brightening your skin. I haven't seen any benefit from this toner. This is a very average toner. It hasn't broken me out, which is a good thing, but it does not do what it claims. It doesn't tighten my pores, and it hasn't shown any reduction in my acne scars. So I wouldn't recommend this product. There are a lot of other affordable products in the market, so I will not recommend this to you all. This retails for 399 rupees for 200 ml, which is quite affordable. So if you are looking for an affordable toner, you can go for this, but I would not highly recommend this because I haven't seen any result with this. The next product is their vitamin C sleeping mask. It is from the same range. This retails for 599 rupees for 100 grams. I was quite intrigued by this product because sleeping masks are quite expensive when it comes to other brands in India. So I thought, and it contains vitamin C, so I thought it's a really good one to try out. This is how the product looks. It's a very weird consistency. It is not a gel or a cream. I don't know if you can even see it. This product claims that it is for skin illumination and it contains vitamin C and aloe vera. This also says that on their website it replenishes the lost radiance, reduces signs of aging and pigmentation, and illuminates skin. I have been using this along with the toner for 2 months. I have been using this daily. I apply this as a last step in my skincare routine, and it dries my skin. It has a cooling sensation because it's kind of a gel consistency, but this doesn't do anything other than that. It doesn't hydrate. When I get up in the morning, it makes my skin so dry. So I would not recommend this product if you are going for this. This toner is still fine, but the sleeping mask is a waste of money. I wouldn't recommend this product to anybody because I don't want anyone to spend 600 rupees for a product which doesn't do anything. The next product is the Mamaearth Oil Free Face Moisturizer. I got as a free product when I repurchased my onion hair oil. So this contains apple cider vinegar. This retails for 299 rupees, which is an affordable price. They claim that this is paraben and silicone free, light and non-greasy, and non-comedogenic. And I will show you the texture. This is how it looks like. The only problem I face with this moisturizer is that, like you can see, it doesn't get absorbed fast. It leaves kind of a white cast on your skin. It takes around 5 minutes to get this absorbed on your skin. It's lightweight. Once it's absorbed, it's quite fine. I wouldn't recommend this for people who have oily skin. This can make you greasy even if they claim that it's non-greasy, but it's quite good for the daytime, and especially in winters this will be good. These are my thoughts on some of the Mamaearth products. These are my personal opinion and I'm sharing it with you all so that you don't have to waste your money. If you have tried any of their products, let me know in the comment section below. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you enjoyed it, subscribe and hit the notification bell right next to it. I will see you in my next one. Bye.